This video is to show the noise comparison between different shells from the what's it? It's a Baikal with a Hushpower moderator on it. I got 14 gram 5 shot, 14 gram 6 shot, 18 gram 6 shot, and 12.5 grams 6 shot. I'll fire them in order, and then afterwards I'll shoot, I think, what's that, 30 gram number 6 12 gauge, so you get some idea of the difference in noise. This is a 14 gram number 5 2.5 inch. Take the safety off. This is a 14 gram number 6 2.5 inch. It's a bit louder. This is an 18 gram number 6 3 inch. This is Eley. The other two was Lyalvale. That one's quieter. This is a 12.5 gram 6 shot 2.5 inch Eley. This is the quietest one. Right, and this is the 12 gauge. Give you some idea of a difference. What I'll do now is I'll put the camera down there and shoot towards it, so you get an idea of the noise right coming towards you, if you know what I mean.